Good morning students. Welcome to fourth session of second chapter, that is random variable and binomial probability distribution. In today's session we will do the sums based on mean and variance and binomial probability distribution. Now first sum, that is there are 3% defective items in the items produced by a factory. 4 items are selected from the items produced. What is the probability that there will not be any defective item? Now as usual, first thing always you do it, that is which values are given, write those values. Then write formula. Which formula will be applicable in this question? After that, start solving sum. Now here it is given there are 3% defective items in the items produced by a factory. So here which P value will be, it is given 3%. Now if we want to remove percentage sign, then this will be 3 by 100, which will be 0.03. So value of P will be 0.03. N, that is 4 items are selected from the items produced. So N will be 4. X, now this is important. See here it is asked what? What is the probability that there will not be any defective item? Here 3% are defective items and here will not be any defective item. Means value of X will be 0, then only there will not be any defective item. So X value will be 0. Now next, which fourth value we want, that is Q. If you remember, we already discussed P plus Q is 1. So if you want to know what is the value of Q, then this will be 1 minus P. So here it is given P value which is 0.03. So this will be 0.07. This is the value of Q. Now here the formula Px is equal to Ncx into P raised to x into Q raised to n minus x, where value of x is 0, 1, 2 up to n. So here value of x, that is 0, n 4, 4x 0 into P value, it is 0.03, x it is 0, Q value is 0.07, where n is 4, x is 0, so 4 minus 0. Now when you find this, 4C0 into 0.03 raised to 0, so this 0.07 raised to 4 only left. Sorry, this will be 4. So this 0.07 raised to 4, that comes 0.8853. So here the probability of getting no defective item, of course this you are supposed to write probability of getting no defective item in the selected 4 items, that is 0.8853. So this will be your final answer. Next sum. The probability that a person living in a city is a non-vegetarian is 0.20. Find probability of at the most 2 persons out of 6 persons selected from the city is non-vegetarian. Now here, as we discussed, what is n, p, x, q, that we find first, and then only we go for formula and then we will solve it. Now here, the probability that a person living in a city is non-vegetarian is 0.20. So P value is 0.20. You check out from the city is non-vegetarian. This should be same. Then this will be P. Now N, find the probability of at the most 2 persons out of 6 persons. So N is 6. And what is given? At the most 2 persons out of 6 persons selected from the city is non-vegetarian. So X will be number of non-vegetarians among selected persons, and that is at the most. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2, तो 2 से कम. So value of X is less than or equal to 2. This equal to because 2 also will be included in that. So value of X less than or equal to 2, that will be the value of X. Now Q will be what? 1 minus P. So 1 minus 0.20. So 0.80 will be value of Q. N is 6. P is 0.20 and value of X is less than equal to 2. Now formula. Px is equal to ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, where the value of x 0, 1, 2 up to n. Now here x less than or equal to 2 because it is given at the most. So value of x will be either 0 or 1 or 2. And we remember in probability also, where or is there we add because it is given सबसे ज़्यादा में ज़्यादा 2 person out of 6. So can be 0 person, can be 1 person or can be 2 person. So in सब की probability that we add. Now how it will be that we will solve. Now see formula in this only NCX, value of x n is 6. Here when we put the value of x 0, so this will be 602. P value 0.20 raised to 0 into 0.80 raised to 6. Actual will be 6 minus 0, so will be 6. Plus we put the value of x1, that will be 6c1. 0.20 raised to 1, 0.80, 6 minus 1 will be 5, plus 6c2, 0.20 raised to 2, 0.80, 6 minus 2 will be 4. So when you 6z0 multiply this, of course here will be 0.80 raised to 6. Here I am writing directly that value, that comes 0.2621 plus 61 0.20 into 0.80 raised to 5. Again I am writing directly this value, that is 0.3932 plus this, when you solve we get 0.2458. Now when you add this, finally we get 0.9011. So here at the most 2 persons out of 6 persons, value will be 0.9011. Next question. Mean and variance of binomial distribution are 3.9 and 2.73. Find the number of Bernoulli trials conducted and write Px. Now here sum is connected with mean and variance. We already discussed in properties that variance formula, that is NPQ, and mean formula is NP. Now here the values are given of mean and variance, that is 3.9 is the value of mean and 2.73 is the value of variance. So NP is 3.9 and NPQ is 2.73. Now we are supposed to find number of Bernoulli trials, that is value of n is missing, and another we are supposed to write what will be px. Now how we want means value of n, so we will find, and p and q, these two values are missing. Now for that, if I write this way, because NPQ that is given 2.73, at the place of this NP, I can write this value 3.9 because it is already there, NP is 3.9. So 3.9Q is equal to 2.73. So value of Q will be 2.73 divided by 3.9. This here it is with multiplication sign, so if you take equal to that side, other side, so this 3.9 will be in division. Now when you divide this, we get value of Q, that is 0.7. So this is your first value. Now we know very well, if we want to find P, then 1 minus Q will be there. So 1 minus 0.7. So value of P is 0.3. So this is your second value. Now P value, Q value, these two values are with us. We can put any of these two formula and we can find very easily value of n. So NP is equal to 3.9. N value is missing, P is 0.3. So this N will be 3.9 divided by 0.3, because this N with that 0.3 here is in multiplication. If we change the side, it will be in division. So 3.9 divided by 0.3, that is 13. So in that case, value of N, that is 13. Now finally, we want value of Px. Now for this Px, N it is 13, C value of x is missing, P value is 0.3 raised to x, Q 0.7, 13 minus x, where the value of x is 0, 1, 2 up to 13. So this is your final answer of even Px. What will be that? N, Q and P, along with that Px. Today's homework, textbook page number 92, exercise 2.2. 5 sums are there. Please do that. So this is an end of this session. See you in next session. Thank you.